So I'm just going to show you how basically to put together a posy of flowers to put into a vase. So we have our vase ready to go. It's just a simple bunch of flowers or posy of flowers. I have some foliage, I have some jonquils, early cheers, some alstroemeria, a bit of sea holly and some miniature roses. We have our pair of scissors and some twine to tie it off with. So first we'll start with our foliage, and again crossing over the stems at the bottom and spiraling as we add. So I've just got some magnolia and some gum and a bit of dusty miller foliage. So we just spiral and add as we go and twist. Spiral and add and twist, and just add the different foliages. You need to spiral it out so it fans out like a V shape so that it fills up the jar or the vase that you're going to put it in. So we've spiraled, we've got our two V's coming out and we're holding it in the centre, and then we start adding our flowers. So as we add, we're crossing the stems over and twisting as we add, just around in a circle. As we're adding, we're twisting and we're spiraling, and just use all your different flowers, still twisting, still spiraling around in a circle motion. Just adding as we're going, crossing the stems over like so. Still have our two V's and gathering in the middle. And then we'll add the roses. You can poke through the foliage like this, but still cross your stems over. Just adding and poking through as we go. Crossing the stems over. One more in the middle there. So we have a posy of flowers now with all our flowers in there together. Then we're going to take the twine and we're going to just cut it a bit. Just twist it around the stems. About 3 or 4 times just to secure it. You can place that down on the bench now because it won't move anywhere, and just tie it in a knot. And cut that off. Then just cut your stems so they're all even. Then you can place that into your vase. Leave it secured, don't cut the tie, and then it will keep its shape. And there you have your posy in a vase.